Well, 9-point lead is 3 possessions, so it's not over.
Pringle! Stanley makes it a 4-possession lead para sa Barangay.
Rebound. That's Pringle at time. It's up in the air. It'll go!
Pilit na ako! Saludo ako sa iyo dito, Seb!
No more timeouts.
Oh
And we
my
go. It's
goodness!
overtime.
And to face him in the long court, that'll leave the space wide open for his penetrators.
Look at that. Speaking of penetration,
Unbelievable.
wow, what a quick move there.
Scotty puts it on the deck. Stan Hardinger in trouble. Out to Stanley. Ford to shoot. Pringle off the twirl. That's good!
Kahapon pa nagmimintis ito, bigla nakadalawa dito sa endgame.
See, take another look at how Stan hit that jumper.